If you want to publish a website on GoDaddy and make it live for the world to see, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you've just finished building your site or you're making your final check before launch, this is a quick and easy way to get it published properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside, go to your My Products page. This is where all of your GoDaddy services and website projects are listed, so it's the best place to start when you're ready to publish. Next, scroll down until you find Websites plus Marketing. Under that section, look for the project you want to publish. You'll see an option that says Manage or Edit Site next to it. Click that to open your website project. After that, choose Edit Website to launch the visual editor. This is where you can view your full site exactly as visitors will see it, so take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. Check your pages one by one, review your text, and confirm that all of your images are displaying properly. It's always a good idea to do one final quality check before publishing, because once your site is live, real visitors will be able to access it. If you notice anything that needs to be fixed, go ahead and make those updates now before moving forward. Once you're happy with how everything looks, head to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find a large green Publish button. This is the final step that sends your website live. Click the Publish button, and GoDaddy will begin pushing your latest changes to your active website. A pop-up window will appear to confirm that your site is now live. In that confirmation, GoDaddy will also provide your website's active URL link, which you can copy and share with others. At this point, your website is officially published and ready for visitors. You can open the link in a new tab to double-check that everything loads correctly, and if needed, you can always go back into your editor later to make updates and republish again. So that's how to publish a website on GoDaddy in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website launch.